back at Garage. I'm taking over the channel today, and now that the holidays are upon us, I'm noticing that ornaments, car ornaments in particular, are hard to find. So today, I'm going to show you guys how to make Christmas ornaments out of Hot Wheels with just some simple tools. So we're going to have a drill with the 1/16 drill bit on it. So that's the smallest drill bit that I have. Then I have the hooks. They're just screw eye hooks that I got from Lowe's. This is the smallest one I was able to find. This works perfectly with the 1/16 drill bit. There's also a bigger one that's going to be good for convertibles since they don't have roofs. This one I'm using the 5/64 drill bit. Then you're also going to want something to put your car on. So I'm using just a socket, but it's because you don't want to push down on the wheels when you're drilling. So it sits perfectly on it, and then you can drill and you're not putting pressure on the tires. Then you're going to need a Hot Wheel. So this is an 05 Mustang, and you can pick any car. We've got muscle cars, trucks, convertibles. You can do imports, little fun cars. This one is actually a pain. They have a rough roof, so I suggest if they're thick roofs to use a bigger drill bit than what I've talked about, but I haven't quite yet mastered this hard roof. So let's get to showing you how to make them. So the first thing I like to do is kind of like balance it on my finger and see like which way's the tipping point. Some of the cars have a heavier front end, so you're going to want to put it closer to the front. This one's balancing pretty good right in the middle, so I'm going to want to put it right in the middle of its roof. And then also, because you're going to be pushing down, you want a hard surface. So don't use like a flexible table, so that's why we're doing it over here. So you're just going to find what you believe is the middle point. I'm going to say right around there. Back the drill out. Alright. Then, one thing I forgot to let you know is you're going to need some pliers. If you try to screw these screws in with your fingers, you're going to start to get some sore fingers. So, I started with my fingers just to kind of get it steady. And then I get in there with the pliers. And you want to kind of be delicate and don't be too rough with the pliers because these will break. The screws will break off on you. So what I do is I try to like lightly turn it, and if it starts to get a little hard on you, just release and spin again. There we go. So there's our 05 Mustang with its screw in, so it's all set. You can do ornament hooks. You can do fish line, you can do some fancy ribbon, however you want to. For us, we actually currently, since our Christmas stuff is still away, we have paper clips working, but they work just like ornament hooks. And next, I'm just going to show you guys how you can do a convertible because everyone loves a convertible, and we'll check it out. So here's our convertible. For the convertible, since you don't have a roof, you're going to need to do it in one of the seats, or you can even maybe do it on the roof, depending on where the point is. So this one, he's pretty even too. It's more of the trucks that are heavier in the front. So with this one, I'm using the 5/64 drill bit and the bigger screw from Lowe's, just so that you have a longer ornament hanger off of it. So I'm going in the middle of the seats, the front seats, and then I'm going to drill down. Now this one you want to be careful because you do have the bottom of the car. Helps if you go the right way. And then you're going to back out. So this one I just went through the seat and didn't actually go through the whole car. And I didn't want it too far down, so I put it about where the windshield is. And there you go, you've got a longer eyelet for your convertible. We found useful is I'm actually storing these for when it's not the holidays in just a little fish and tackle box. So they fit perfectly. You can kind of reverse the sides so they sit on top of each other. That's a good way to store them so that when it's not the holidays, you're not bending the eyelets. And that is all for Tack Garage today. I hope you guys have a great holiday. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and please join us next time on Tack Garage.